back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be kind of like a chill vlog style clean with me. It is Sunday afternoon and we just have a little bit of cleaning to do. We've had a super lazy chill weekend, but now it's time to prep for the week. So we have a little bit of cleaning, not too bad because we did a big deep clean on Friday, but obviously like we need to make our bed. There's a little bit of dishes just cause, you know, gotta eat, I guess, but other than that, it's not too bad. I'm just gonna do a quick like vacuum, all of that. We don't really need anything at the grocery store that I know of, so I don't think we're gonna do that today, but it's just kind of prepping for a successful week. So I just wanted to take you guys along. I'm gonna show you guys the spaces that we're working with today, and then we're gonna get started getting everything together. So first up is the bathroom. We did not clean this on Friday, so this needs to be taken care of. It's a little messy. Then of course we need to make the bed, and I'm gonna vacuum. The living room isn't too bad, but there are some dishes right there. A couple of water bottles just from us just lounging around really. Gotta kind of fold the blankets, put the couch back together, do all that. Over here, I need to put James's, well, he needs to put his games away. He got some new games. I need to move his shoes. I'm trying to like put the shoes here, but I don't know. I want to get something for here, but I need to find like the right piece, you know? So let me know if you have any recommendations. I need something that's like super narrow because the space is not huge. My office is pretty much picked up. There's some trash there, but I don't know if I'm gonna get to this room in this video, but it's pretty clean actually. And then lastly, we just have the kitchen, which James actually did some dishes this morning, so it looked way worse than it is now. But I'm gonna obviously do a couple of things, clean up from breakfast. Need to wipe this down, this looks horrible. And then just wipe everything down, wipe the table down, take out the trash, you know, that sort of thing. All right, so let's just get into the cleaning portion of this video. So I forgot to mention, the reason James isn't helping me clean inside today is because he's doing outside work. You want to tell everybody what you're doing?
Pulling up some more ivy.
Fun.
Very complicated, I know.
Fun stuff. Yeah, so he did all of that like a month ago, but now he's getting to the other side. Yep, fun Sunday adventures.
Oh yeah.
Anyway, so that's what he's doing. That's why he's not helping me clean, in case anyone was wondering. Okay guys, James is done with the outside work, at least for today. It's not done, but you know. And
it's a long-term project.
He is spraying down the shower, which looks really disgusting on camera. It doesn't look like that in person, so I don't know why on camera it's like really...
Well, part of it's the lighting,
you know what?
Sprayed it.
It's because you sprayed it. It's actually the spray that I'm seeing in the camera. And okay, that makes me feel better because I'm like, that's disgusting. Spray. This is the cleaner that we are using today. This is the Jaws Shower Daily Cleaner. So we are using that. I'm gonna clean off this situation and wipe it down. James has got that, and then we will spare you the toilet. It doesn't actually look that dirty, but you know, it's just a toilet. We'll wipe it down. But it's also hard to get in here with the camera when like both of us are cleaning. So yeah, James is just gonna scrub that down. I'm gonna do this. Also, I think I'm not going to like show you guys me actually cleaning this situation just because it's hard to get good angles and good lighting in here. But I will show you guys when we are done. So get ready and ta-da! All clean. And the shower is clean. And James is working on the toilet right now. Okay guys, so the only thing we have left to do in this little weekly reset video is to tackle the kitchen. And honestly, it's not even really that bad. I'm just like dreading it because, you know, I just don't want to do it. I just want to be lazy today. We have some dishes to be done, the mess from breakfast this morning, and then there's a couple things over there to throw away, and then just wipe down the counters. So I really just need to do it. I just don't want to. But yeah, that's really all I have left to do in this weekly reset. As far as like cleaning goes, there are other things that I do to prep myself for a productive week. And if you guys want to see that, let me know. But enough about that. I'm gonna go clean this kitchen so that way we can be done with it for the day. Well, life with James. The living room's already messy again.
I didn't do that.
Just kidding. Life with Dixie. She brought her toy. I got the blanket out, so I'll take credit for that. And then that's a mixture of both of us.
Well, I'm still using that cup.
Well, I'm still using my cup.
What about those two water bottles?
Well, one of them's mine and one of them's yours.
I don't think one of them's mine.
Oh, I do, because you left it in the bedroom on the dresser and I moved it out here for you. You're welcome.
You moved my water? How would I have known that?
I just told you. All right, guys, so that is it for our weekly cleaning reset. Just kind of quick tidy up. It wasn't too bad today, so that's good. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope you found some motivation to get your house in order and ready for an awesome week. But that is it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.